If you're nearing retirement or facing an early exit from your job and want to know how to use the Rule of 55 to withdraw from your 401k without facing that dreaded 10% penalty, you're in the right place. This rule can offer a significant advantage, especially if you're planning for a comfortable retirement or need access to your funds early. And yes, I'll explain how you can apply it to keep your savings intact while staying compliant with the IRS. Before we dive in, let me quickly share something important. If you're serious about protecting your wealth over the next couple of weeks, you might want to take a look at the free guide on gold IRAs in the description below. Thousands of Americans are opening gold IRAs to secure their future, and it could be a perfect fit for you too if you're looking to diversify. Now let's get into the Rule of 55. The Rule of 55 allows you to withdraw money from your 401k without penalty as long as you meet specific conditions. But here's the catch. This rule only applies if you leave your job in or after the year you turn 55. That's the key. If you're under 55 and leave your job, you'll still face that 10% early withdrawal penalty unless you're using other exceptions. Here's how it works. Say you're 56 and leave your employer or get laid off. Under the Rule of 55, you can start taking distributions from your 401k without paying that 10% penalty. It's a huge benefit, especially if you're in a situation where you need immediate access to funds for living expenses, medical costs, or even other investments. Keep in mind, the money you take out will still be subject to regular income taxes, so be prepared for that. Now, here's an important thing to consider. This rule applies only to 401k accounts tied to your employer. So, if you have a 401k from your last job, you can tap into that early. But if your money is sitting in an IRA, this rule doesn't apply. But don't worry, there are other ways to tap into your IRA funds, penalty-free as well. If you want more information on how to roll over your 401k into a gold IRA for added security, again, check the first link in the description. It's definitely something to consider for long-term wealth preservation. Let's quickly talk about alternatives to this Rule of 55, just so you're aware of your other options. If you're not eligible for the Rule of 55, you might think about taking a loan against your 401k, or utilizing what's called a hardship withdrawal, although these come with their own risks and limitations. These strategies can allow you to access funds, but they often come with penalties or reduced retirement savings down the line. So here's why gold IRAs might be your best bet. If you're looking for a way to make sure your wealth is preserved and grows safely during retirement, a gold IRA gives you the opportunity to safeguard your assets from inflation and market volatility. Many retirees are choosing gold IRAs because they offer greater stability compared to traditional stocks or bonds, especially in uncertain times. That's why, when thinking about your long-term retirement strategy, it's vital to consider diversifying with gold as part of your portfolio. This ensures your hard-earned savings don't lose value due to inflation or market downturns. To sum it up, if you're over 55 and leave your job, the Rule of 55 is an excellent way to access your 401k funds without penalties. However, it's crucial to understand the tax implications and be aware that this rule only applies to your 401k, not IRAs. And if you're really serious about protecting your wealth in the next couple of weeks, I recommend you check out the free gold IRA guide linked below. It's tailored for people like you, American retirees who have more than 100 Ks in their IRA, 401k, or even 5 MEMI plus in savings. Now, if you want to make sure your savings are protected and grow over time, this guide will help you do that, and it's completely free. Don't miss out. Click the first link in the description to get started with your free guide to gold IRAs today.